Still with me is plastic surgeon Dr. Jay Calvert, and this is Jeremiah. And Jeremiah was originally on our show because his wife Lauren said that her large areolas on her breasts were not only destroying her self-esteem, but they were also ruining their sex life.
Lauren has been teased about the size of her areolas on her breasts since she was a young child, even from her family. Desperate for change, Lauren agreed to come on stage and show Dr. Calvert the very breasts she'd been ashamed of her entire life.
It's brown in color. And they can be bigger, that's for sure. I'm sure when you were pregnant they were way bigger.
They're bigger.
But I think also what's happened for you is you've lost a lot of the volume of your breast. Is that correct? And so what's happened is the breast has become flattened and you've lost the normal breast volume, and that makes the areola look even bigger.
In an effort to help, we rushed Lauren to Dr. Calvert's office so he could give her the breast she'd always dreamed of having.
Alrighty, so we all saw Lauren. Let's see her now. Come on out, Lauren. My goodness. Look at those. How do you feel?
I feel really good. I'm not, nervous or embarrassed as I would have been if I hadn't gotten the surgery.
And this is a great example, having this bikini top on, because before the surgery with the areolas, they would have been all peeking out on the sides.
Yeah, they look so good. They look really good.
You're a little cocky right now. Isn't she a little cocky? She's a little like, yeah, girl, I'm fine, now what?
They look good. They look good.
Yeah, and what do you think, Jeremiah?
The results have been nothing less than fantastic.
Nothing less than fantastic. I hear that you've been a little jealous.
No.
Oh,
not
no.
Really.
He has to go with me to the store.
Now?
Yeah.
Really?
Because I have a bunch of low-cut tops now, so.
All right, well, Dr. Calvert, we have another example here that you've brought, hand that to you, of what her areolas look like before and what they look like now.
This is pretty accurate. I said 6 centimeters in the exam. Well, when we measured it out, it was really 8 centimeters, which is basically 3 inches or so. And this is about the size of the areola from before. You can get a good shot at that. And
I almost don't believe him.
We really took it down. I tried to get closer. It's a little bit bigger than this, but we got it down about the size of a quarter. So that's really what she was going for, was to, Lauren wanted to see a smaller areola with getting the volume back in the breast.
Well, you look great, and I can tell the confidence is there.